Okay, this is my retarded cat trying to get out of the door. That is locked. She is a retard. Go ahead, kitty. Try to get out. Heard you wouldn't. I swear my cat's on drugs. Stupid cat. Kitty. What do you want to do? Huh? I'm videotaping my cat. Dude, my cat's higher than hell right now.
Why do you do that to your cat?
Dude, she's just looking around, licking herself. This is priceless, dude. Yep, she's about to go to sleep, dude. She's tired as fuck. Yep, she's going to bed. She's like, fuck y'all niggas. You want inside, kitty? Go ahead and go inside.
I'll be sure I call Sean.
Alright.